what we talk about here in the book is, again, Who Stole My Pension, is that we are on the precipice of the greatest retirement crisis in the history of the world, because it's really demographics. We have by 2050, there'll be over 2 billion people on this planet over the age of 60 years old. And so only the smallest minority of those, probably less than 1% of those 2 billion, have anywhere near enough savings to survive potentially decades in retirement. Now, when you talk about pensions were severely underfunded before coronavirus. Pre-coronavirus, your average state and local pension was only 70% funded, which meant that they had 70 cents for every dollar that they owed in benefits. And that was after, again, the longest historic 11-year bull market, the longest bull market in history. Pensions were 70% funded. So if after an 11-year historic bull market, they were 70% funded, how do you think they're going to be post-coronavirus?
Right. Yeah. What are your estimates on that? How much underfunded do you think they are now? And which states are the worst now, in your opinion? I know last time you were on, we talked about Kentucky, and then Illinois has got to be even worse now. So which states do you see being the worst now, and how much underfunded do you think they are?
Well, I think that Kentucky has still got to be one of the worst. Robert and I recently interviewed a friend of mine, Chris Tobey, who's on the board of the Kentucky retirement system, and he said that he anticipated the Kentucky system would go below 10% funding as a result of coronavirus.
Oh my God.
Which means you're basically pay as you go. You got no money in savings. Every penny you got in the pension fund is going to have to be paid out in the next year or so. So you're going to see a number of pensions that could see their funding level drop by 10% or maybe even more.
If you want to see more videos and interviews like this from influential people in tech, finance, and sports, subscribe to the channel and make sure you hit the bell to be alerted. And go a step further and join the YouTube membership area for early releases of videos like this. I'm out of here. Ha!